Would you like to do a background check on someone or searching for someone in the US? What about finding out an unknown number that keeps calling you? In this case, IDTrue can help you. But what is IDTrue? IDTrue is a data broker that gives you comprehensive and detailed information on anyone located in the US. It provides current location and address history, contact information with phone numbers and email addresses, criminal records and arrest history, sex offender status, relatives and business associates, and social media accounts. Not everyone is comfortable sharing such information online. That's why there is also an option to opt out, which you can find on their website. Here is the process for opt-out request. First, just go to idtrue.com. Scroll down to the bottom part of the homepage and under Support click Opt-out and Removal. Follow the instruction. Provide your first and last name together with your state, then click Remove. Confirm your record by matching the name, location, age, and details match. Once you locate the record, click the This Is Me button to the right of the record. Provide your email address and tick the identity confirmation box, and perform the CAPTCHA. Then click the Request Opt-out button. Afterwards, check your email to verify your identity. Click the verification link to submit your opt-out request. Removal of your information is immediate. That's quick, isn't it? If you want to keep your information private and need assistance, Delete My Info is here to help. To find out more about us, visit us at deletemyinfo.com.